Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Today's video is going to be an exciting solo adventure where I take on challenges, explore fascinating topics, and share my experiences with all of you. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a new viewer, I'm thrilled to have you here with me. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into this captivating journey together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming solo escapades. Now, without further ado, let's get started on essential risk management strategies for beginner Forex traders. Start with a demo account. Before risking real money, practice trading with a demo account. It allows you to get familiar with the platform, test your strategies, and understand how the Forex market works without financial risk. Set a risk limit. Determine how much of your trading capital you are willing to risk on each trade. As a general rule, it's recommended to risk only 1–2% of your total trading capital on any single trade. This helps protect your account from significant losses. Use stop-loss orders. Always use stop-loss orders for each trade. A stop-loss order automatically closes your position when the price reaches a certain level, limiting your losses if the trade goes against you. Use take-profit orders. Similarly, set take-profit orders to secure profits when the market moves in your favor. This ensures you don't miss out on potential gains and helps you stick to your trading plan. Understand leverage and margin. Forex trading often involves leverage, which allows you to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. While leverage can amplify profits, it also increases the risk of losses. Understand how leverage works and use it responsibly. Diversify your trades. Avoid putting all your capital into a single currency pair or trade. Diversification helps spread the risk and reduces the impact of a single trade going wrong. Keep emotions in check. Emotions can lead to impulsive decisions, such as revenge trading after a loss. Stick to your trading plan, and don't let emotions dictate your actions. Stay informed and educated. Stay updated on market news, economic indicators, and global events that can impact the Forex market. Knowledge is a crucial tool for making informed trading decisions. Avoid overtrading. Overtrading can lead to exhaustion, impulsive decisions, and increased risk exposure. Stick to your trading strategy and be patient for the right opportunities. Review and analyze your trades. Regularly review your trades, both profitable and losing ones. Identify patterns and learn from your mistakes to improve your trading skills. Have realistic expectations. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Be prepared for both winning and losing trades, and don't expect instant success. Consider risk-reward ratio. Evaluate the potential risk and reward of each trade before entering. A positive risk-reward ratio, e.g., risking $100 to make $200, can be beneficial in the long run. Remember, risk management is crucial for long-term success in Forex trading. By implementing these strategies, you can protect your capital and increase your chances of becoming a successful trader. Always be willing to adapt and improve your risk management approach as you gain more experience in the Forex market. Thank you so much for joining us on this exploration of risk management strategies for beginner Forex traders. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you enjoyed the content and found value in it, we kindly request your support. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with others who might benefit from it, leave a comment to let us know your thoughts, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos on various economic topics, ensuring you never miss out on valuable insights. Your support means the world to us, and it encourages us to continue creating high-quality content. Thank you once again, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.
You can watch the video showing on your screen right now to learn how you can create real-life mockups for your designs with Canva. See you there.